Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. So I just got my paper pumpkin, and if you don't know what paper pumpkin is, it is from Stampin' Up, and it's a little craft box that has everything in it but your pair of scissors. So I'm about to show you what this month's kit is, and you can order these from me at my website, and my website will be linked down below. And here is my host code, and it is good till June the 28th. So this is this month's, and each month there will be a different paper pumpkin kit. So I'm going to open it up and show you what this month's looks like. Now on your first kit, you always get a block, and your block looks like, this. I hope I'm in frame. Okay, let me make sure. Will look like this. Has a little paper pumpkin emblem on it. So it's a good little size, and you want to hang on to it. It'll come in a little zipper clear baggie. And just make sure you always hang on to it, because you only get one. Okay. So, whoop. So this is what your paper pumpkin will look like. Now, if you're a first time subscriber to paper pumpkin, you'll have your little block, of course, in here, and your little welcome and everything to paper pumpkin. So this is what our kit looks like for this month, and like I said, each month will be different. And for this month, we have these cute little, this is a month is Share a Little Love. So these are cute little little cards, and let's see if I can find something. And every time you will always get, oops, I think I've got them upside down. You will always get a stamp set, of course, and they will always be different. So you will always have some stamps. You will always get you some ink. And we have Coastal Cabana this time. And we have cute starfish and a sand dollar and some cute little sayings, and it looks like some sand and maybe some coral, and well, let's see, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to stamp these out, and this is, I'll show you what I do in a minute so I can read those better. And it's always wrapped so pretty in some pretty colored tissue paper. And then here's our little kit. So I'm going to pull this out. And we'll just move our little box out. And here's what everything is called. A Little Small, okay, this is what's in here. This is your instructions. So this is the kit, and we'll go ahead and open it up. So we've got some twine. cardboard. Hang on to that. Might need that someday. And here's your instructions. Okay, so you can follow, of course, your instructions if you would like. I've got some measurements down here if you need measurements for anything. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Easy instructions. And then shows you in color on the front how they look. So everything's real easy. Here's all your supplies. And what this is it's having you make these adorable little, just tiny little cards. Here's these tiny little envelopes and cards. Look at these, aren't they cute? And you put them in here to put in your pocketbook, your purse, your little bag, whatever, to keep with you when you're out and about, to just, you know, give a little smile to someone. And these make the little cards. They're cute. So you can do it that way, or, you know, if you want to get more creative, you can make them into bigger cards or do whatever you want with them. So here's some little tags, punch-out tags. Here's some little punch-outs of trees and things, palm trees, more of those. Looks like little, could be seaweed, or it looks like ferns to me. That's what they look like to me. Some more tags, and ooh, they're so glittery. Look at that. Some starfish and sand dollars, and of course your tiny little blue dots. You always get your blue dots. And let's see what's in here. And of course, I already told you, you have your twine. And our new color in the catalog, Coastal Cabana. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna open it. It's probably not the best way to open this. So pretty. I love that new color. I haven't gotten any of the new inks yet. I don't think. Have I? No, I don't have Coastal Cabana. I got Bermuda Bay. Oh, take that back. I do have Coastal Cabana. What am I talking about? I do have Coastal Cabana. Oh, I'm so crazy. I do have it. I have it right here. I don't know what I was thinking. I do have it. I forgot. I do have it. So, I do have this color. But it's still pretty. So that's good, because I've got little embellishments I can use. So we've got like little seaweed embellishments, I guess these are. These are so cute. And I guess these are starfish and seaweed. I'm guessing they're all the same. Yep. There's a bunch of them in here. So yeah, all these are little starfish and seaweed in here. So you've got all those. And these are like little vellum pieces too. So you've got all that in your kit. So like I said, you can use it how they've given to you. And some people do, or you, and if that's the way you want, or you can, I'm going to put on my little pieces I think in there so I don't lose anything. Or you can you can do your own thing. Now here's what I like to do with the stamps so that I can see them better. I'm going to peel them all off, and so that y'all can see what this pretty color is, but I'm going to use the big one, I think. It'll just be easier to do it that way. And let's see, where's my mat? Let's put this. And just get you a scratch piece of paper. There we go. I'll have to clean those off in just a minute. Move that out of the way, close my ink up so I don't put my hand or anything in it. Okay, get my stamp chamois here. Press those down good so I can get them all cleaned up. And y'all, if y'all don't have one of these little purple stamp chamois, let me tell you something. These are great. I love this thing. Takes nothing but water. It even cleaned the stays on ink off of my stamp. I love it. highly recommend this. Simply Chamois. Okay. So now those are clean. Move those out of the way. Move that out of the way. Now we can see all of our little stamps. So we got, my day is better because of you. Thank you. It means so much. You are amazing. You made my day special. And just a little smile. So that's what those say. And then of course the coral, the starfish, and the sand dollar. And that looks like it could be sand, or you could use it as water for the ocean if you wanted. So there's the stamps for that kit. I think I got ink on me. So that's what is in here. So like I said, if you'd like to start ordering these kits, please remember to go down below to my link and order from me. And remember to put in the host code and start getting these paper pumpkin kits. And you can start watching me do these kits and doing them with me. And if start getting some people ordering them, who knows, I may even start doing them live. Not done any live videos yet, but I may just start doing them live if we get some people actually ordering them. So I'll just wait and find out. So anyway, I just wanted to share what was in the kit for now, and I'll do another video of showing some ideas on how to use the kits. And so y'all stay tuned for that, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Remember to please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share. Come back and see me.